Still organizing a never-ending job, I guess. Okay, dokie. So I put the little drill press here between this lathe and that lathe. So I can actually sit down and work on this lathe, mini lathe, and mini drill press. Hard to see it. Oh, maybe it is, yeah. Okay, so. And mounted this guy today. Hydraulic press I built. That I didn't build. I got it on eBay for a low price. You can just use blocks of wood and plate or whatever, and just if you got something dinged in or something bent or something, you can straighten it out. For this fellow, 50 tons. And make sure everything is pretty tight, as you can tell by the bolts. You just go on eBay, look up 50-ton hydraulic press, and find some bar stock or ready rod or ready thread. Snap it together like so. You gotta drill holes through plates like that. And that's what I did do on my drilling machine. Radio drill I got. Okay, what any other mischiefs I've been doing? Oh, I think so. I was painting a cover as well today. Always keeping busy. Take a look around here. Cover for this machine here. And cover, give it a good painting, cleaned off the tags and everything else. That goes over that. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. Move this over here. Variac. Getting another shipment in, I think a week or two. Gotta get rolling with stuff. That's fun. So, working on Inventor 3, also Inventor 3 awesome grinding machine. Schultz and Boiler and Schultz grinding machine. Just needs a bit of cleaning off. It runs great. Magnetic chuck works great. So, got that done. Sort of done. Still got a few things to clean up on it. Oh, never ending, never ending. Yes, I'll be working on this whole thing here. It's always fun doing something. I get these ideas and I gotta do it. Like build this little tiny micro lathe, which weighs what? 50 pounds? A portable little micro lathe. Oh, always busy. Always busy, Doctor. Oh, Doctor. Yeah, well, I'm having fun. So, on that note, I think I'll keep it short. I tend to wander off course.